Hello, this is Gary Flisspart. This is a quick demonstration of the GLF Programming Environment, the GLFPE, ported to 3 different operating systems. The programs you see running here are running on all 3 operating systems. Raspberry Pi on this screen, Windows XP on this screen, and Linux, Debian Linux on this machine. All the programs were compiled from source code on all 3 systems using similar processes, so that this demonstrates the portability of the programming. This is an example on the Raspberry Pi of an OpenGL program bouncing a ball. This is an example of a program which demonstrates old DOS Borland graphics ported to Linux. This is an example of a program which calculates sidereal time. And this is an example of an Arduino sketch. The program's been ported to Raspberry Pi 2. All 4 of those programs are on each of the operating systems, as you see here. All the same 4 programs on all 4 of the operating systems. The reason to try out the GLFPE for Linux, or the GLFPE for Windows, or the GLFPE for Raspberry Pi is that you could program a C or C++ program on one of the systems and port it to the other systems reasonably easily. At least that's what I do. And I post the various integrated systems to the web so that other people can try it too. Bye for now.